Let's make the easiest, cheapest, and most effective hair growth oil for extreme hair growth. You'll need 2 pots. Then I go ahead and fill the pot up with water. Once the pot is filled up, I'll go ahead and put it on the stove and turn it on, allowing it to boil. Once it's boiling, I'll go ahead and get started on my mixture. I put 1 cup of grapeseed oil into the mixture. Once I add the grapeseed oil, I go ahead and add my rosemary to the mixture as well. And once this is done, I go ahead and add the mixture into the pot. Via double boiling method, I make sure the pots aren't touching each other. I just want the condensation from the bottom to come up into the oil and to heat the oil up so that the rosemary will infuse properly. I leave this on the stove for 45 minutes, and I also turn the heat down to about midway. Once that is done, I go ahead and I let my rosemary sit and I let it completely cool down. Once the rosemary oil has had time to cool down completely, it's now time to transfer your oil into a jar. Once the rosemary oil is transferred, I go ahead and I completely seal the jar and I store it in a cool, dark place overnight. After I've let it sit overnight, it is ready for use. And this is how you make the most easiest, affordable, and best hair growth oil for extreme hair growth. Don't forget to turn on your notifications, subscribe, leave a like, and a comment down below.